Scheduling a brew in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the brew calendar, how to schedule a run against a vessel, how I warn you about double booking a tank, and how to replan by dragging. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Brew Calendar from your dashboard. This is the Brew Calendar, where you schedule production runs against your available vessels and time. Switch between day, week, and month view depending on how far out you're planning. To schedule a new run, click an open slot on the calendar or click Schedule Brew and pick the date. Select the recipe, the target volume, and the vessel it'll go into. I'll check vessel availability and warn you if you're double booking a tank. Once it's scheduled, the run shows on the calendar as a block spanning its expected duration, color-coded by stage, so you can see brewing, fermenting, and conditioning at a glance. If your plan changes, drag the run to a different date or vessel, and I'll recheck availability automatically. Click any scheduled run, and I'll open its detail, confirm materials are reserved, and show whether it's still on track against the recipe's target dates.